Oh, look at that. That's very nice. There's pollen. And there's eggs. Wonder if I can get that. I don't know. And I can see single eggs laid down in the bottom of cells. And that's really great. Okay. So that's going to count as one frame of brood. Make a little more room. Some more honey in the corners. I can't see eggs. These are too deep, and I don't want to take the frame away from the hive to get into the sun. There's another little weird drone brood. I wonder if those were left over from the laying worker. So the queen went in 7 days ago. Packing pollen stores and eggs. This is great. Those are very clearly eggs. And they're packing in pollen stores there. I would like to see the queen. And then okay, well, I'm not going to leave them open longer, just for me to see the queen. I see that she's laying, so that ought to be enough. Oh yeah, whatever happened to this old comb? Nothing, huh? Okay. They'll get to it.